everyone. I am killing time right at the moment. While doing that, I am going to unbox an order from Shopee. Shopee, beep, 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 beep. Yeah. So, we'll unbox it. I think I already sprayed alcohol in this. Oh. Nice package. Nice one. Where should I open it? There. Can't open it. I'm excited. I hope this is the right one. I ordered 4. Let's see. For an iPhone 12 Pro Max casing. Oh. It looks nice. I hope this is the right one. Oh, I love it. Spongebob. Open it. I think I paid 130 something. There it is. So cute. Cute guy siya. We'll see. We'll see if this is the right one. So we have the phone here. I'm going to remove my OtterBox case. I was going to make a review or unboxing video for this OtterBox that I bought, but I was so excited to use it and I didn't get to take a video. So I hope this is the right one. Otherwise, I'm gonna be disappointed. Not my order, but not on my order, but hopefully I did not make a mistake on clicking. It's very nice. Wow, we didn't do a show. It's so nice. I'm so happy. It's 130 something, 137 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I would love to order more, but I don't have time to order. Oh, I could have ordered a lot on this. Maybe I'll go to the resort, yeah. But it's very nice. If you want this, guys. Oh, it's very, very nice. I love it. I'm going to use this at work. Like, you know, when I'm going to work, I'm gonna use this. Look, it's very nice. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you very much, seller. I love it. And yesterday, I bought 2 cases, but this is not online. I bought this at a stall, something, a small store, like they just have this cart or a rolling store or something. I bought this. This is more expensive than this, but I love this so much. So I bought this. This was 200 pesos, and there's also this one, and I bargained it for 300 pesos for both. So it's like 150 pesos each. I love purple, and I love this too. So I have 3 cases now. Well, 4 because the original case of this. No, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the original case. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Check the link below. I might put the link for this one, so you can also order yours. Bye bye. God bless. See ya.